Alright, so I opened up a new drawing. Uh, I'm going to just extrude a square. So I go to a plane, I make a square, finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude it up. Length, size, whatever on this doesn't really matter. I'm just using this block as a starting point. Alright, what I'm going to show you, the command is called loft. And to do loft, I'm also going to show you how to make different planes to draw on. So to start this out, I'm going to do a sketch on one of the faces of this block. Again, it doesn't matter which face you choose. I'm going to make another square on that face. And not worrying about size, not worrying about any of that. I finished that sketch. Now, to loft. What loft does is it blends from one shape to another. But they have to be a certain distance apart. If they're both on the same plane, then it can't blend between them because there's no space between them. So I'm going to make a plane coming off of this face. In work features, there's a plane button, and there's a whole bunch of different options for making different planes to draw on. The very first one, I'm going to offset from plane. So I click on that. I'm going to click on the face that I drew on, and I tell it how far away I want to offset a new plane. So I'm going to do an inch. So now I have the square on this face, and I have a plane floating out here in nowhere land. I do a sketch, select that plane. Now it looks like I'm drawing on the same place, but I'm drawing on that plane and not the block this time. So I'll do a circle. Finish sketch. There you go. You can see kind of the two shapes. Square here, a circle here. If I click on the button beside revolve on the down arrow, there are different options. Second one down is loft. I click on loft. Alright, I get this little pop-up. If I click on the square, then click on the circle, click OK, and it will loft between them. And you can see it literally makes, kind of softens edges, goes from square to circle, and you can do that with really any shape. And you can do more than one layer or shape also. So just because I like this and think it's weird looking, so let me do another one here. I'm going to do offset, plane. I'm going to do a 1 inch, 2 inch, Alright, so let's say I'm gonna blow some people's minds. There's layer 1, do a sketch. Layer 2, I'm gonna switch it up. Hexagon, representing. And then, what do I want to do on the top one? I'll just use a random shape. Alright, my oval shapes, all different ones: circle, square, hexagon, blob. If I do loft, one to the other, up to the top. And you get all kinds of crazy shapes. This is in CAD 2. I have them design like vases and different bottles, containers, and this is how you can kind of get into some neat, crazy shapes.